Okay, I don't know how much you guys can see right now, but this is a totally new creek. Holy crap. What's going on, guys? Jacob here with Life Outdoors. We are out in Ohio on a micro creek mission. So I'll put up some footage of the flooding that happened just yesterday. Absolutely crazy, some of the worst flooding I've seen ever in the state. But basically, I drove around yesterday, looked for fish, even though it was ridiculously flooded. And I actually did find a fish tailing in rapids on this tiniest creek I could locate. Okay guys, these are undoubtedly the highest flows I've ever seen in my entire time living in Ohio. And I spotted a fish somewhere in these shallows. I didn't have my rod on me, so I had to run back to grab my fishing rod, my fly rod. But I mean, man, just even seeing one in this is crazy, but imagine catching one. Oh my god, he ate it. Oh, it's a sucker. No, it's a sucker. And he smoked the woolly bugger. Dang it. So I approached this fish. Turns out it was a sucker. But I mean, still, it was pretty cool to actually catch one in those terrible conditions, just as like I can do this, and it's not impossible to fish the worst conditions that you've ever seen. So I figured I might as well come out the next day, which is today now, and just show you guys how it is possible, no matter how bad the conditions were, to go out and to actually find fish and locate some fish. Yeah, it should be a fun little episode. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Again, no comments about location, please, just because this is such a small body of water, but you guys don't need any special spot, you know. You don't have to go around asking for people's locations. Just literally find a main river and then look on Google Maps or satellite view or whatever you need to locate just any creek that comes off of the main river. And pretty much if you find a creek that comes off the main river and you know there's steelhead running in that river, there's steelhead in that creek. Like I said, I'm just going to be doing my little egg fly to stonefly setup, which I actually have a setup video on my channel now, so I'll put that up here if you guys want to click on that, check out that video. But hope you guys enjoyed this short little episode. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the water. Okay, I just had a sucker on, so first fish on and off of the day. I guess that's something. He came up and bit my woolly bugger as I was pulling it back up for another cast. Surprisingly enough, these suckers can be pretty dang aggressive. Oh, that looked like a freaking walleye. What the heck? That was weird. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. All right. First fish on the board. Off he goes. Oh, hello. sucker just came up and ate off the top. Oh, big sucker, not little steelhead. Look at him. There he goes. Oh, look at this. We got a couple deer up here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Wow, he smoked it too. Oh, buddy. Look at that. Hammered that egg. I was drifting it through the fast water. That was so cool. Oh, let me get you unhooked. Oh, barely hooked. Just barely. All torn up. Oh, sperming everywhere. So there's that beautiful fish again. We're gonna get him back in. Cool. He was just sitting in that heavy current. So cool. There he goes, tucked up right under the bank. Oh God, there we go. That's a good one. Right up in the waterfall. He ate that stonefly. Oh, that's so cool. Big stonefly too. Nice colored up fish. Wow, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Let's get that release. That's right. Oh, perfect. Guys, check that out. There's one right there. I can literally grab it probably. See it? It's so cool. That one's so beat up, it's like, I'll let the poor guy just hang. But what it does confirm is that there are fish all the way up here. Crazy. Look at him. Oh, there he goes. poor fresh one right here is just getting kicked out. No fun for the fresh fish. These two are just going at it. Okay, so as you guys can see, just such a cool time here in Ohio to be out steelhead fishing. I've got two spawning fish right behind me, just having a heyday. Obviously I'm not targeting those kind of fish. What's the fun in putting a fly in front of them? They're not gonna eat it. The best you're gonna do is floss them. So really just not worth it, but yeah, a couple of beautiful fish right there. Got a lot of cool photographs. I'm gonna keep moving up creek here, see if I can't find any other deeper pools where I can put a fly in, but total success on the day. I mean, just a beautiful day out here. Everything else is beyond flooded and we're finding fish after fish here, so can't beat it, guys. Cannot beat it. All right, I'll catch up with you. The backpack angler try. Oh, turkeys! Turkey flying across. You'd think there's got to be one sitting like behind each of these boulders, just based on other fly fishing trips I've done. This just seems like a very trouty spot. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know how this is gonna work. Where you going, fish? We're going down. Oh, we're going down. That's a good one, guys. That's awesome. That one's fresh too. Check that out. Beautiful chrome out of a small creek. Put this fish in a good area to rest. There she goes. That was cool. So that was up in that fast water. Fish just hanging out up there. There he goes. And he made it. And I was too busy watching him and got all snagged up. Oops. There's one of those ugly little guys. That's going to be the end of hiking upstream for me. Gonna start making my way back down, fish any holes that I think might have a fish or two in them. Oh, that's a good one. Oh boy. That's a tank. That's a tank, guys. There it is. There he is. It's another rainbow. Okay, look at how cool this is, guys. In an unstocked trib, tiny little rainbow. So cool. Off he goes.